Okay, y'all, today we're going to vlog this with my mommy. Yes, mommy came over and mommy hair is getting a little bit thin, okay? But that's okay because we're going to work with her. So I installed some cute K-tips in her hair. She has kinky curly and I was like, okay, mommy, so we're going to give you a really, really chic little ponytail. That's something that you can do that's quick, that's easy, but this texture is perfect. It blends with your hair because my mom is like still working. She's on the go and she was like, what? Bam. Who mommy looks like this in their 70s? She is the best. Her ponytail is so super cute. I was able to give her something that's easy for her to maintain. It's right in her wheelhouse because she loves a cute little pony. That's what she do, buns and ponies. Look at her, ain't she fine? And look at the texture. Look at that hair, matches perfectly. Nobody does it better. Okay, make sure y'all check out Bella Locks, baby. This is our K-tip kinky curly hair. Is available now at mybellalocks.net. Y'all better tap in. Look at that blend. Ew.